I love you. You're a wonderful mother, beautiful daughter, and you're the best.
Yeah, thanks, Mum. Now I'm going to have tears.
No.
Love you.
જે નંબર ડાયલ કર્યો છે તે હાલમાં વ્યસ્ત છે.
Hi, Mum.
Like Mama?
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, Ma. How are you?
Yeah, good love. Good. What's happening?
I'm just ringing to tell you that I love you. Oh, I love you too. I'm just ringing up to say I love you.
Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you. That's I love you too. Elisa,
Ma, எப்படி இருக்கீங்க?
இருக்கடா சொல்லுப்பா.
I just wanted to tell you that I love you.
Hello. Ganda.
Aku cuma mau telepon bilang I love you.
Oh, I love you. I love you too.
I want to say I love you, Mummy.
I just wanted to say I really love you. I really love you a lot. I love you.
I love you. Thank you. Bonjour, sama tuh.
Moet u zeggen dat ik u graag zie?
Ja, dat is heel lief van u. There's something, yeah.
No, nothing's wrong, nothing's wrong.
You are the best, and you're the strongest, toughest woman I know. And for what you put up with for all of us, I thank you very, very much. And I'm not going to cry in front of the camera.
I love you, yeah?
All right, I'll talk to you soon because I'm going to start crying. Okay.
It's just sudden. Yeah, I know. I just wanted to tell you, that's all.
Thank you, son. Me too.
Okay, that's great. I'll see you later.
Bye.
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 She had no idea what I called.